Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix use this song not working on TikTok. If you face this type of error, so how can fix it? Go back your home screen and open your iPhone and Android mobile setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connects strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi to correctly the third scan you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then scroll down and turn on airplane mode. At least the third scan you have turn it off, and after that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on app management, and from here click on app setting, and from here search for this TikTok app and click on this, and from here what you need to do it, click on permissions and allow all permissions, and after that go back and click on storage and cache, and from here what you need to do it, clear storage and clear cache, and after a few minutes you have again sign in. After that check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here what you need to do it, update your TikTok. Click on TikTok, and from here what you need to do it, update your TikTok. After update your TikTok, check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and long press on TikTok. What you need to do it, uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again install, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.